Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 9 and we're going to presentation about expository essay. Before I started, I would like to introduce our group member. Myself, Elora Raihnarendrani, number 190109 as moderator and presentator. Muhammad Siddiq, number 190121 as presentator. Alfian Zilham Rifai, number 190144 as presentator. Rana Putri Pasolon, number 190173 as presentator. And Rizky Ajisya Pangaribuan, number 190160 as presentator. The definition of expository essay will be explained by Rizky Ajisya.
Okay, thank you. Here I will explain about definition of expository essay. Expository essay is defined as presenting reason, explanation, or step in a process. Expository essay or exposition present a subject in detail, apart from criticism, argument, or development. The reader elucidates a subject by analyzing it. An expository essay should follow a logical sequence and have three different main points. Thank you.
Next, the main purpose of expository essay will be explained by Rana Putri Pasolon.
Okay, purpose. The main purpose of expository essay is to inform the reader of a certain page of information, for to explain a truth, followed by certain evidence of facts. Expository essay does not tell a story. Expository essay does not persuade a reader, but only giving facts and reason. Expository essay can also give the steps of a process.
Okay, the next slide. The structure of expository essay will be explained by Alfian Zilham Rifai.
Structure expository. Generally, expository essay have three main sections: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Each part of this type of writing has an important role to make effective argument. First, the introduction. The first paragraph of a text is usually the opening that explains what essay you are writing and give an idea of the content to reader. And it uses an opening sentence along with a few explanatory sentences that can get the attention of the reader as well. Second, the body. The body of expository essay at least consists of 3 up to 5 paragraphs. The section may be also written in more than 5 paragraphs depending on the selected topic and on the level of knowledge of the reader who will read the text. Each paragraph begins with a main idea of a statement that contains a purpose of a text of a case on a topic chosen. Then, the main idea in each paragraph complete by several helpful ideas or sentences that also relate to the topic already chosen. And remember to add conclusion to each paragraph that also contain a transition to the next one in the written essay so that the reader will be easier to follow the ideas in the text. Third, the conclusion. The final part of the expository essay is the concluding part. The section of conclusion part must give the reader the whole idea presented in a briefly written essay. The things that is need to remember when writing the conclusion is that the section isn't place to sum up everything or point the written in the section. However, conclusion section is used to restate statement with the idea of the subject of essay as well as with a solution or action to our containing question related to the essay topic that can be developed into an essay.
Thank you. Next slide, the type of expository essay, descriptive composition, and cause and effect will be explained by me, Elora Rainarendrani. The type of expository essay, descriptive composition. A descriptive composition is a type of essay that describes an event, a person, a place, or an idea that is included with several supporting details. This type of writing is widely used as writing assessment for students in school. Jadi maksudnya, descriptive composition ini adalah jenis penulisan yang berisi tentang gambaran sebuah peristiwa, seseorang, tempat, atau sebuah ide yang disertai dengan beberapa detail atau kalimat pendukung. And cause and effect essays. This kind of essay explain some of the consequence of a cause. Writing cause and effect essay can help a writer explain a cause and the consequence. An example of this type is that writer can describe the consequence of global warming, the effect of water scarcity, and many more. Jenis essay yang ini menjelaskan tentang beberapa akibat dari sebuah sebab. Dengan menulis cause and effect essay, penulis biasanya dapat menggambarkan tentang sebuah sebab yang terjadi dan apa saja akibat dan konsekuensi yang ditimbulkan oleh sebab tersebut. Nah, contohnya jenis penulisan ini yaitu menjelaskan tentang akibat-akibat dari terjadinya global warming, akibat terjadinya kelangkaan air, dan lain sebagainya. Next, the type of expository essay, compare and contrast composition, and how to do something or process will be explained by Muhammad Siddiq.
Okay, compare and contrast composition. Compare and contrast composition is a type of writing that focuses on two or more topics. In this type of writing, readers compare two or more topics to share information with the reader. An example of this type is an essay on school life versus college life and king of. Jadi, compare and contrast composition ini mempunyai jenis penulisan yang berfokus kepada dua atau lebih topik. Dalam penulisannya jenis ini, seorang penulis membandingkan dua atau lebih topik untuk memberikan informasi yang utuh kepada para pembaca. Contoh dari penulis jenis ini yaitu essay tentang kehidupan SMA versus kehidupan kuliah. How to do something essay or progress essay. In this step, reader explain the whole process of how to make things in sequence by writing down activity steps. In general, reader present all the information in the proper order so that reader can easily follow the steps. An example of how to back a check and clean off. Jadi dalam penulisan jenis ini, seorang penulis menjelaskan keseluruhan proses dari bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu secara berurutan. Dengan menulis langkah-langkah kegiatan, secara umum seorang penulis menyajikan semua informasi dengan urutan yang sesuai logical order sehingga para pembaca dapat dengan mudah mengikuti langkah-langkah yang telah disebutkan oleh penulis tersebut dalam tulisannya. Next.
Okay, enough for our group presentation of expository essay. Sorry if there's a mistake in our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.